connections. Go ahead.
This is my world.
We are still in
There, heater, light stuff.
Sure, we changed that a little while ago, Connor. Like go behind the wing stuff.
Roger,
right, sub in the
couple of dials, warning lights, and the control room. So over here, we have the stick to steer the truck.
2 South there, Canada, 610. You are clear to start type 1 and 4.
3 pedals on the floor. Brake, gas, worst way. Dead pedal for hydraulics. Press brake, hold forward, truck starts to move. Hold back, truck moves backwards, left, right. This controls the nozzle at the end, and if you can see, move this, nozzle moves.
2 South again, center.
Underneath, this switch raises and lowers the cab. We have the emergency stop button. Hydraulics on, printer on, type 4, type 1, and a bunch of useless controls because it doesn't actually work anymore. I have my radio. Over here, we have fan spray to stream. Arm in. Forward is arm out. Left, right rotates cab. Arm up, down. Coat hanger for the jacket.
Louis, hold on a minute.
Printer. Horn button. Spray sheet. Only done 2 planes today, but I've only been out here for about 20 minutes. Door, the window's cracked, of course. I'm in one of the older trucks. Spraying over there. 777 still going, but they're doing type 4 now.